slowly. Okay, there you go. And then slowly roll it back and forth.
There we go.
Even slower. Good.
Yeah. All right, let's count to 10. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4,
Yeah.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now roll it to the other side. She's getting it on her shirt.
Yeah. That's
All
good.
right.
Okay, leave it
Now,
there.
leave it there, and we're going to count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, now we can take it out.
I should take it out.
Okay, well, careful, sweetie. All you have to do is scoop it up there so Mommy can grab it. Good job.
I want to.
Okay, let's wipe this off.
I want to green.
Okay.
All right.
Go for it. Okay. There you go.
Let's not pretend that anyone in here likes Nebraska. Have you ever wondered why there's storm chasers? An hour in Omaha looking for a tornado to take me anywhere.
Ooh.
It's been around.
It
It's
did.
spin
Now,
around.
don't shake that, sweetie. Okay.
Stay on the ground.
Because you're getting it on your shirt and it stains.
Do that joke in Omaha.
I'm the ultimate bleacher now that I have kids.
Let's count.
Oh, we forgot to count, didn't we? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I know, I was noticing that.
9, 10. All right, roll it to the other side.
It's weird, it's not sticking on certain parts. It's like that egg has some wax on it.
I know.
Here.
All right, now count to 10 again.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay.
Okay, go ahead and...
take it out.
The yellow one's doing it too.
Is it really?
It's just not as noticeable because it's yellow.
There we go.
And
Yay!
I want to do orange.
Let me wipe it off and maybe